Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different designs of bottle crafts in this video. If you also design your garden with bottle plants, then this video will be very beneficial for you. This video contains a lot of designs of bottle plants for your garden designing. If you also want to design your garden, then this video will be very beneficial for you. This video contains good collections of bottle garden plants for your home decor. If you like my video, please let me know in the comment box. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.